Hey guys, so if you can hear the noise outside, it's actually starting to rain again. So I think summer is over, but summer isn't over. Like summer is over, but summer is not. As in, like, summer, the season is over, but summer vacation is not yet over. And well, we only have a few weeks left till our summer vacation ends, and I guess today, or probably a few days from now, is when well, the rainy season is already starting. I mean, you know, it's starting to rain actually. I don't know if you can hear that. But anyways, yeah. Um I've actually I don't know, I've actually forgotten to record something today, so I'm recording it at night as usual or something. And we're planning to have our final sleepover, but I don't know when, so yeah. I'll just update you guys on when the sleepover is, and yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog. So goodbye. Yeah, that was me making sound effects. Okay, goodbye.